компромисса. А мы всегда говорили, что мы готовы и к переговорам, и к компромиссам. Просто противная сторона в прямом и переносном смысле этого слова, противная сторона отказывается.
Shahed drones woke us up. When I heard that drones were approaching us, we rushed to take cover under the heater. It serves as a good protection, and it helped us to remain alive. My legs were injured, my arm. Maybe I have some scratches on my face. I did not bother to check.
I was very loud and scary. While running, I did this to my face. I have got a clout now. Of course, my son came down from the first floor. And we also heard the explosion, so we took cover in our makeshift bunker. We ran there. Then there were more strikes. There were several. A cast, I broke my hand. These are ruins. It cannot be rebuilt. Even the attic was on fire. My husband and a firefighter went there to put out the fire, but then there was the second strike, so they ran away, and only after came back to put out the fire.
Ходили.